Hey, how are you? Now I'm going to show you how to add magazine. I already added the magazine page. Just need to reload. Look, when you click the more magazine, then we'll go another page. Here will show all magazine. I just added one. Now I'll show you how to add one or more. So let's go. You need to go first all page and all magazine page. Click edit with Elementor. I already added one. Just you need to click the edit button, mouse, right click mouse, duplicate, and click and drag here. Also the button need to make duplicate, and click and drag here, and click edit button, choose image, just click this image, insert media, and download magazine. Just click edit button, and you need to go media, and which PDF you want to add on this button. Just click PDF or MP3 or images, copy the URL and paste here and click update. Reload. Click and will be download. If you need to one, just need here update, reload. Let's try. Yes, no need to add new tab, uncheck, and here just duplicate again, button duplicate again, just click and drag, duplicate, click and drag, change images, click this edit button and click choose image. Another one, just for example, click here and need to select another PDF. Just select all, Ctrl A, copy and delete and paste here, update. And this one again, choose image and magazine media page. Another PDF here, MP4, no PDF here. Just for check, click, copy this link and paste here and update. Yes, and if you need or more, just duplicate this column or row. Just click right click here and duplicate this section here. Just need right click, edit section, advanced tab, and 0 top padding. Okay, and change everything, edit image and edit link, all the same, and click duplicate this one and update. Reload this page. And look here, all showing here, and when user click the download button and proceed to download. That's all for adding magazine and download button. And now I'll show you how to add music. Magazine, let's go. Sorry, music and music player. Page, need to go the home page. Home, sorry. Home here. Playlist. Click add new playlist. I will add one first to last. Test playlist, and you need to add category. I just check other song, and I need to choose local mp3 and mp3, add upload file, add another anyone. I just show you for test, and click copy this link, and here where to buy download this track, click and select download button, and short store link here, the paste this link, copy and paste here. This one just for one music, and you need to add another, just add another track, local mp3, add music file, and here click and download button, copy the music URL and paste store link here, track another, click local mp3, add music and select download, copy this track and paste here, and click publish. All playlist. This one, how to add on homepage, just click edit with Elementor. I will add just test purpose here one, here scroll down and just duplicate, right click the section and duplicate, 3 column duplicated, just delete, right click, delete, right click, delete, right click, delete, just add one. This is a category title, click edit button, and this other song, just change category, style and text transfer uppercase, just click music icon and you need to go all playlist and view, right click and click copy the link location. This one, copy link location. If you use Chrome browser, here copy, here will show copy link address. Just click here and edit button and link here, just delete and paste here. And same thing, other thing, title, click link, delete and paste here. And listen and download, just click here and link, paste here, then update. Reload this page. This one, if you click here, then we'll go the wall music playlist page, album page. This one, if you want to play, yes, playing. And you need to download, just hover here and download button will appear, click download. That's all for music. Okay, thank you.